before.
Ito tayong hard horn. It's my
I make the following general observations. Many of these peaks and
dental
pinnacles
appointment.
seem to have been raised as a result of internal reconciliations. So that was your area, the reconciliations.
Skip namin. Kukunin yan after 1 week. Maglagay pa ako ng more. Siyempre hindi pa siya masyado. Let's go, guys. It's a bit windy and cold. Dala tayo ng kayang. See you, babe! Hindi niya ako narinig. Lipad yung styro. Hindi niya ako narinig. Lipad yung styro. Oh no, nilipad yung everything there. Nilipad yung mga doon. Ano ba yan? Lakas talaga ng hangin. Lakas ng hangin. Lipad po mo. Tingnan mo yung ko, guys. Oh. Ganda niya. Yan. Yung Acer, malaki na. Hydrangea. Ganda ng bulaklak niya. Okay. Kuha muna tayo ng pera. May magta-taxi tayo. Hindi marunong mag-drive, kaya mag-taxi na lang tayo. Daan mo na bangko. Hinatid ko may pera sa bangko. pag walang pera, maglakad. Okay. Oh my goodness. Lakad pa mo. Very windy today, guys. My goodness. Ano pa naman yung appointment ko? 10:50. Lapit lang naman dito. 10:05 pa, 10:05. Very windy. Sana hindi uulan. Hindi lang naman ako payo. Pagdaan muna tayo ng pera. Magpaligaw. Chilly lang siya, hindi siya malamig. May hangin kasi kaya nakakapagbigay parang malamig pero hindi. Preston, hangin pa more chilly. Mamagal muna tayo ng pera dito guys. Sana open to. Oh, we're sorry. Machine is it's not available. Hanap tayo ng taxi guys. Wala kasi doon kanina. Naghanap ako ng ano. Naghanap ako ng office nila. Wala na doon. Balik tuloy ako dito. Meron na nakaparada. Oop. Dito tayo. Maaga pa kasi ano pa 10 pa lang. Morning. Is that alright to go to Hardhorn Dental Clinic in Bolton, please?
Was that a dentist?
Yeah.
Was it near the Elf? Near Witherspoons?
Wait. I'll give you the. That's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know the.
Yeah, I know that, yeah.
Yeah.
There
Thank
you go,
you.
yeah.
I've been there. I was looking for the taxi office because no one in here before. But it's not there anymore. You know the Clipless taxi.
Oh, that's nice, Camps, wasn't it?
All
Ours is
right.
round the corner.
Right.
Not far away.
Because I didn't see the sign.
Yeah, it's over the tram tracks.
Right. My appointment is 10:50. That's fine. I have time.
What's that?
10:50 my appointment.
Oh, 10:50.
So we have time.
Oh, plenty of time then. Plenty of time.
Yeah.
Last place you want to go, like. It's the last place you want to go.
We have that dental clinic in Victoria, but we don't like it.
You don't like it.
No, it's only 2 minutes walk, but I don't know if they accept NHS.
They used to do, I don't know now.
Because one time we've been there to do the extraction.
Yeah.
They asked me to pay £150.
Right.
Oh no!